Navigating complex and ever-evolving regulatory requirements to market therapeutics products is challenging, and manual tracking and antiquated products are no longer up to the task. OpenText Core for regulatory plans is built with a singular purpose: help life sciences companies meet their regulatory obligations with agility and cost efficiency. The familiar eCTD hierarchical tree UI makes it easy to set up a new submission. Simply navigate through the tree and select those nodes you need to define the desired submission content. A wizard guides you through the entire creation process. Connected to document repositories such as OpenText Documentum for life sciences, appropriate documents can be automatically identified and assigned to your new submission without manually searching and browsing long document lists. The submission is taking shape with just a few clicks. You can also browse and use search to locate more documents. You can assign owners to different modules or nodes, and set up notifications to keep everyone informed on progress. Core for regulatory plans offers a snapshot of your submission status by region for a full view of your regulatory activities. Automate tasks to speed submission assembly, track the progress of submissions, coordinate across clinical, quality, and manufacturing groups. Replace manual processes and stay on top of your submissions with OpenText Core for regulatory plans.